Halina o hirang sa barangay Kabayugan, ating masilayan na iibang bakawan. Tayo ay mamangka patungong bakawan at kasama natin kaibigan at mahal. Bakaway paramihin, tayo ay magtanim sa itlog ang isla, una ng pagkain. Huwag itong putulin, bagkus ay mahalin. Isda't alimango ay dito nang galing. Tamilok na masarap, uy! Hipon na mailap, uy! Talabang malasa at lukan na biyak, ating pagyamanin. Uy! Yamang dagat natin, uy! Tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Uy! Tamilok special taste, uy! Lobsters now are the best, uy! Oysters are delicious, all of them nutritious. We must love and caring all aqua living things. Support the livelihood and the source our mangrove. You are always welcome in mangroves again. Next year you will become back again. We are waiting for you all the time. That's our song, composed of our group dedicated to all visitors in mangrove. So that's all about mangrove tour. I hope that you understand my English, sir.
No, it's perfect. Can I
Yeah,
take a picture?
and I hope that you enjoy our tour.
Perfect.
So once again, everyone, thank you very much for visiting our place. So we are your tour guide. Don't forget our name. My name is Alfie and Chris. Everyone, thank you very much.
Thank you.